Good morning, students. This is Ma'am S.T. Joshi, and I will be teaching you English literature for class 3. I hope all of you are doing great and you are all following the lockdown rules. Today we will start with the lesson Nature's Gift. This lesson, this story has been written by Utpal Talukdar, and the name of the story is Nature's Gift. What is nature? Everything that is around us, plants, trees, fruits, and everything, and animals and people that are around us, that is nature. And the gift, you know what is a gift? It's like a present. Don't you like to have gifts? Yes, everyone likes to receive gifts. So before reading the lesson, I would like to tell you that this story is about a baby elephant and he is really sad about something. Now let us find out what is he sad about. As I read, I will also explain it to you. Look at the picture, and as I read, you can read along with me. A Baya weaver bird and a baby elephant live in a forest. Both are very good friends. So this is a story about a Baya weaver bird and a baby elephant. A Baya weaver bird is a kind of a species. There are different kinds of so many kinds of species, kinds of birds that we have, and this is one of them. And this bird lives in tropical areas, and this bird weaves its nest, okay, it stitches its nest together with the help of twigs and grass, and it weaves it together, and both the elephant and this bird are very good friends. Now let us read further. Let us read what the baby elephant is saying. If I had wings like you, this baby elephant is talking to his friend the Baya weaver bird. If I had wings like you, I would have flown high in the sky to play hide and seek with you in the clouds. It would be so much fun. You are right, my friend, said the Baya weaver bird. Okay, now this elephant is sad because he is not having wings. He is sad because he is not able to fly up high in the sky with his friend the Baya weaver bird, and he wants to play hide and seek. Do you know what is hide and seek? Hide and seek. Oh no, not that biscuit, not that chocolate biscuit hide and seek. This hide and seek is a game that you play, which is also known as chupan chupai. There are many. You can have as many as players you want to. One person hides his eyes, covers his eyes, and the rest of them hide, and he then starts looking for other children for, and this is how the hide and seek game is played. So he wants to play hide and seek up in the sky, and he wants to hide in the clouds and play hide and seek with his friend the Baya weaver bird. and and he's saying that it would be so much fun. Really, hide and seek is a really funny, filled with fun game, and everyone enjoys it. Small children, young people, everybody enjoys it. And the Baya weaver bird, yes, really, it would have been such a good time if you had wings. So let us read further. The Baya weaver bird keeps on thinking what to do. He does not want to hurt his friend. Don't feel sad, I'll help you. Now, in the second picture that you can see here, the Baya weaver bird is saying, don't feel sad, I will help you. Now, whenever a friend of yours shares with you something he's sad about, she's sad about, and you really want to help, but it is difficult for you to help, so you keep on thinking, you keep thinking the whole day, oh, how can I help my friend? In the same way, the Baya weaver bird also wants to help his friend, the elephant, and he keeps thinking the whole day and does not want to hurt his friend. Now, here the word hurt means does not want to make him feel sad. Okay, now let's read further. Now the Baya weaver bird makes a plan. Let us see what the plan is. The Baya weaver bird gives talk gi- The buyer weaver bird goes to the other birds and tells them of a plan to help the baby elephant. Now what happens? This buyer weaver bird, he goes to other buyer weaver birds, and it shares a plan with them, and so that they can help the baby elephant. Let us see what that plan is. All of you pull out one feather from your body and give it to the baby as a gift. Give it to the baby elephant as a gift. Now what does the buyer weaver bird tell other buyer weaver birds? He tells them that all you other buyer weaver birds, all of you pull one feather from your body. Now what is a feather? A feather is a soft, light part of the body, which is also known as, हम हिंदी में उसको पंख बोलते हैं, and birds have it, okay, and with birds have feathers, and that is how they fly. So what the buyer weaver bird says to the other buyer weaver birds, that pull out one feather out of your body and we will collect it and we will give these feathers to the baby elephant. So the other birds also agree. They say, okay, we are ready to help you. And seeing this, the baby elephant is really happy. The other birds agree. Everyone starts pulling out feathers from their bodies, and soon there is a heap of feathers. Okay, all the birds have agreed. They start pulling out the feathers from their bodies one by one, and now there is a heap of feathers. Heap means lots and lots of feathers. Okay, one on top of the other, one on top of the other, lots and lots of feathers. The buyer weaver bird starts weaving a pair of wings. Even the elephant gets excited seeing his friend working hard to help him. Now what does the buyer weaver bird do? Like the buyer weaver bird weaves his nest in the same way, here the buyer weaver bird weaves all the feathers together to make a pair of feathers for the baby elephant, so that they can help him. And let us see what he wants to do with all the feathers. And the buyer weaver bird brings all the feathers to for the elephant and says, your wings are ready. Are you ready to fly? Oh yes, thank you so much. Okay, now what happens? The buyer weaver bird stitches and weaves a big pair of feathers, pair of wings for the elephant, because elephant is a big animal. So with the help of all the feathers, the buyer weaver bird stitches or weaves all the feathers together and makes wings for the baby elephant, for his friend. Wow, so much of hard work. And seeing this hard work, the baby elephant is also so happy and so excited. What do you mean by excited? Excited means that you are really happy about something, and you are really excited that you like when your parents tell you, okay, today we will go for picnic, or today I will buy you a new frock. So do you get excited? Yes, you get excited. You are so happy, and you want it as soon as possible. So in the same way, the buyer weaver bird also makes these wings for the baby elephant, and he is very happy. Now let us see what happens further. The buyer weaver bird takes the baby elephant to a hilltop. What is a hilltop? It is a hill is a small it is very much smaller than a mountain, and a hilltop is the place, the top of the hill is known as a hilltop. As you can see in this picture, that the baby elephant is standing on the hilltop, okay, and with the wings attached to his body with the help of a rope. Now what does the buyer weaver bird say here? Friend, first start running and jump from the hilltop. Then with the help of your wings, front legs, start flapping your wings. As you learn to fly a little, try to push yourself forward with the help of your wings. Once you are able to do this, I'll teach you other tricks. Now here the buyer weaver bird is trying to tell the elephant how to fly. Do you think the elephant will be able to fly? Let us see what happens further. But here, the buyer weaver bird is telling first you run, then you jump, and with the help of your front legs, start flapping. What is flapping? Up and down. Flapping is making your wings go up and down, up and down. Okay, and the buyer weaver bird is saying, as you learn to fly a little, try to push yourself. Okay, when you start to fly, push yourself, move yourself forward. आगे अपने आप को पुश करो with the help of your wings. And once you will be able to do this, एक बार जब आप ऐसा कर पाओगे, so I will tell you other tricks. I will teach you. I'll make you learn other tricks or other ways that you can fly. And the baby elephant is really excited, and he thinks that he can fly. But let us see if he really can. The baby elephant is full of excitement. He comes running and jumps from the hilltop. He thinks it is simple, but instead of flying, he starts falling down, then tries to flap his wings, but in vain. Oh, something sad happened here. The baby elephant was really excited to fly, but when he starts running and he jumps from the hilltop, instead of flying, instead of going up, he comes down. He is thinking, oh, it is very easy. When we see other children swimming, we think, oh, it's so easy to swim. But actually, if you get inside the water, it is very difficult. It is sometimes very difficult to swim, and you really have to learn. But for an elephant to fly is impossible, because even we as humans cannot fly, because God has not given us wings. Nature has not given us wings. We have other things. He comes running and jumps from the hilltop. He thinks it is simple, but instead of flying, he starts falling. Oh, something bad happens here. Instead of flying, the elephant starts to fall down, and then tries to flap his wings, but in vain. All his efforts for trying to fly are in vain, go waste. What do you mean by vain? VAIN. It means it is a waste. All the efforts he did, all the hard work that was done to make the wings, and the elephant to make him reach the hilltop and then run and then jump, all went in vain. Instead of flying high, instead of going up, the elephant comes down and he falls down. Okay, now half of the lesson has been done. Now tomorrow again I will be sending you the next half of the lesson, and we will read again, and I will explain it to you again, and let us see what happens tomorrow. And it is going to be really very exciting. We will see what happens tomorrow. So God bless you for today. Okay, and stay safe and stay healthy.